I used to think love meant holding as tight as I could. I'm Lucien, this is day 5 of rebuilding the life I almost gave up on. I used to think when you love someone, you will fight for them as much as you could, right? Like, mahal mo sila eh. You will do everything that you could for them, right? That's how I thought at first. But in my previous relationship, I was scared that she's gonna leave me. So I become dependent. Then one of those things is basically being too much. That I'm not even holding my life together. Either school, work, all of it. A love is a verb. You have to show it. You have to do it in order to make that other person you feel that you love them. But that's what I didn't do. I didn't show up as how much I loved her. Like, do you get what I'm saying? Like you can genuinely be in love with someone, but to show up, to do the right things, to show support, to show the right type of love that they needed, that's how love should be. It's not always I love you, I love you, I love you. It's not always that word. More than words. If I look back, I didn't really showed up to her how much I loved her before. If you remove the I love you, how would you show someone you love them, right? Turns out I wasn't losing her because I love her too much. I was losing her because I never learned to love myself first. The tighter I grip, the more I push away the one person I didn't want to lose. Whenever you love someone, you always show them that you love them because that's how you're really showing up for that person. The right way to love someone is the way they wanted it, because you wanted it the way you wanted it as well. It's a collaborative partnership. The day that it ended will be talked on the next episode. But let me know in the comments what you think about the video.